Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace spark plugs Honda CRV full guide. Start by parking on level ground, disconnecting the battery, and letting the engine cool. Wear gloves and eye protection, and gather tools like a ratchet, spark plug socket, torque wrench, and anti-seize compound. Inspect the ignition coils for damage, label wiring if needed, and work methodically one cylinder at a time for a safe, clean replacement. Begin removing old plugs by taking off the engine cover and any intake pieces blocking access. Unplug each ignition coil connector gently and remove the coil bolts, keeping parts organized. Use a spark plug socket with an extension and swivel as needed to reach recessed plugs, and turn counterclockwise to loosen. Remove each plug slowly to avoid dropping any debris into the combustion chamber, and inspect threads for damage or oil. Prepare new spark plugs by verifying the gap and adding a light coat of anti-seize to the threads. Hand start each plug to ensure proper thread engagement, then torque to the specified value to prevent damage or loosening. Reinstall ignition coils, reconnect all electrical connectors, and reattach any removed engine covers. Reconnect the battery, start the engine, and listen for smooth operation while checking for any misfires or warning lights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.